Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. It's that time of year again, and I am once again asking for your help. After riding in Pelotonia in 2023, I decided to ride again in 2024. This time, I'm excited to announce that I'll be riding as part of a team of local first responders. This team is called the First Responder Community. We are a group of police officers and firefighters joined together to help raise money for people affected by cancer. Although last year, I was the only police officer on the team. If you're not familiar with Pelotonia, it's a bike ride in central Ohio that raises money for cancer research. The event began in 2009 and has raised over $280 million so far. Riders can choose between different routes, from a 20-mile route all the way up to a 190-mile 2-day ride. I will be riding in the 100-mile ride on Saturday, August the 3rd, which starts downtown Columbus and ends in Gambier, Ohio, which is north and east of Columbus. I'll provide a link in the description of this video, but you can also go to the Pelotonia webpage and in the search bar type First Responder. That will bring up the team of people I am riding with this year. Last year we had 7 riders. This year they're a little slow on the registration, but there will be more riders soon. Once you arrive on this page, you can choose the rider you want to donate to. Last year, you all donated over $3,000 to me alone. This year I'll be on a team, so once my sponsorship has been paid for, you'll have the opportunity to sponsor another rider on the team. Also, don't forget that many employers offer a match to donations, so make sure you check to see if your company is on that list. The First Responder Community has been riding as a team for several years and has raised over $70,000 for cancer research. It would be incredible if this year we could surpass the $100,000 mark. That brings me to my next point. The team is looking for more riders. If you are a first responder or even the family member of a first responder, you can join our community. The team is open to riders of all skill level and experience. The 20 and 35 mile routes are mostly flat and would accommodate riders of every skill level. The 50 miles and beyond are a little bit more hilly and slightly more challenging. If you would like to ride with us, we have a Facebook page called the First Responder Community. Feel free to send a message. If you don't have Facebook and would like to ride with us, you can contact me through Instagram or email. I'll forward your information to the team captain. Participating in Pelotonia is an incredible experience. From the kickoff party to the ride and the support along the way, even the meal at the end of the ride. From the riders to the volunteers to the cancer survivors you'll meet along the way.
Thank you.
It's difficult to put into words, but it will help restore some of your hope in humanity. I would like to thank you in advance for your support and your donations, and thank you for helping me build this platform that is now being used to benefit others in ways I never imagined.